What's up, Hoover Vents? This is Brad, and today I'm gonna teach you some goddamn math. How you like them bullshits? Them goddamn bullshits. I'm gonna give you some brain dogs, okay, guys? Alright, first one. What is the product of 6 and x? Well, first of all, what you want to know is that product is adding, so it's definitely not C. And it's not 0 because we're not dividing. And it could only be 23 if x was actually the letter Z. So, it has to be 6x. 6x. Just like that. Now on to number 2. What is the number 6? Now, is it the amount of cats I have? Less than 23? And, or is it not your mom? Well, I do have 6 cats. So that is it. I have a single. It is in fact less than 23. So, I have a double. And it is indeed not your mom, so I got myself a triple. But that's not all! Ding 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 ding, it's secret answer all of the above! Quad! 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 Now on to number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Circle I contains tangent CU and secant UM. The total length of UM is 4,0,5,0,9,0,0,0.5, and the exterior length of UM is 2. Find the length of CU, which is x. Well, first of all, that means you got this x bullshit right here, and it said this thing, the whole thing, it said was, let's say over 4,000. And this was 2. Alright, what you want to do is you want to get your x squared, because it's a tangent, and that is equal to the whole times the exterior of the other thing. So W times E. So that gives you some brain dogs of something like x squared is some bullshit such as a 810 thing. It's just 81018 or 8 bullshit 001. Now, if you didn't get that, I'll repeat myself. It is 81018, definitely not a 9, 001. And you square that to get x equals over 9,000.
The following is presented by Gatherers Against the Uncles. We are gay, let's all be gay, and free America today, okay?
Hello and welcome back. We're now on to number 4. Find the value of x based on information given in the diagram. Well, let's see. We have arc DI and arc DK, and then we have x in the middle. Well, it appears we have some ghost bitches. Well, that's unfortunate for them because I have hardline, and I called in my care package and I got Blackbird. And so we have 23 here, and we have 32 there. Now, what does that mean? I don't fucking know, but that means we have x equals 1/2 of bullshit of the sum, and the easy way to remember this bullshit is because these lines are crossing, so it looks sort of like a plus sign, or something like this. Something like this. Right. And then if it's something like the angles on the outside, it's a minus, because this looks like a minus right there. Get them brain dogs into your system, and don't forget them, or Jesus will crucify you. Oh, that's right, he's dead. Never mind. So you get your x equals 1/2, 23 plus 32, and that gives you some bullshit of 27.5. Now on to the next question. Number 5. Let D equal how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck woodies? Woodies. Balls. Apostrophe. Balls. Of steel. Well, I've done a lot of reading. Now let me go back and summarize what I read. Okay, I'm back. Gee, that was a long book. I've calculated the formulas over and over again, and here is what I found. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? A woodchuck would chuck wood, if it could chuck wood, it would chuck 8 pieces of wood. 8 pieces. I don't know if you could see that, but that's an 8. Let me erase this 8. Let me do that. There's an 8. You can clearly see that. Let's give the 8 some hat. Here's some hat. Here's a hat. Come on, have like your hat. And let's give it some shoes. Let's give the 8 some shoes. Yep. Let's do that. And let's give the 8 a workout. Maybe he'll go to the gym. Yep. He's gonna go to the gym. Gonna build muscles and stuff. Yep. 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 Now on to number 6. E equals mc squared. Find E if m equals x squared plus 3bx and c equals x squared plus a minus e. Well, I'm going to assume this means enormous. Enormous macho cock times 2. So find E if m equals macho, a equals ass, x equals zebra, times 2 plus 3 bitches, 3 bitches times Xboxes, and C equals Xboxes times 2 plus ass minus enormous. You know what? Okay, let's yep, I typed these numbers into my calculator and the answer is hairy nipples. Now on to the last question. What is 1 divided by 0? What the fuck?
The associated program was run by fags, fighters against grenade spam, because spam is for the Muslims.